This is a 5S2P battery pack, built with 40XG20C cells. No BMS, only balance lead. Just like real RC drone batteries, is not recommended. It carries risks. Overheating may damage the cells, but many DIY builders still use this method when a spot welder is not available. So in this video, I will show you how to reduce the risks as much as possible. We are using 40XG 21700 cells with a 20C discharge rate. This high discharge rate is critical for drone performance. All cells must be matched in voltage and resistance. Here are the tools: a high-power soldering iron, flux and solder wire, balance plug, and copper wire. Insulate. Apply flux to the soldering area. Set the soldering iron to full power. Then tin the surface. Keep the soldering time within 2 seconds to avoid damaging the battery. No cold joints, very solid connection. I use copper wire instead of nickel strips. This reduces resistance. We build the parallel groups, positive to positive. Also keep the soldering quick to avoid heat damage. Negative to negative. Quick soldering. Make sure there are no cold joints. Repeat the same process on the other side. Secure it with tape. Use heavy gauge copper wire for series wiring to ensure proper current handling. Tinning the copper wire makes it easier to solder. Also tin the middle section. Then connect them in series. Do not let any metal tools touch the batteries between the two groups, or it may cause a short circuit and sparks. This is how the series connection is done. Make sure there are no cold joints. Next, solder the XT60 female connector terminals. This is polarity sensitive. The terminals are marked, so make sure not to connect them incorrectly. Cut the wires to the right length. Tin both the wires and the XT60 terminals. Low quality solder wire or insufficient soldering. Iron power can make soldering difficult. Look how smoothly the soldering goes. I'm using a T12 soldering iron. I'm using 63% tin solder wire. Look how clean the solder joint is. Then connect it to the batteries, main positive and negative terminals by soldering. Make sure the main positive and negative terminals are not reversed. Next, solder the balance connector. Pay attention to the wire order. I will show a wiring diagram later. This is what the finished setup looks like. What do you think about this build quality? Use a multimeter to check if the voltage is normal. All good. Test the balance lead again. Okay, all voltages are normal. Do proper insulation. Put on heat shrink tubing. Connect it to the balance charger. Nice. The internal resistance is between 1 and 3. Now power test. Here we go. Powerful thrust. This 21700 pack has way better endurance than soft pack batteries. I build almost all the batteries for my aircraft, including FPV drones. I'm Han_FPV. If you want more drone DIY tutorials, subscribe for more.